Distributed IT can be found everywhere, especially in places it was never designed for. How do you find space for much needed power protection on power-hungry IT equipment when there isn't any space? Thanks to new battery and semiconductor technology, uninterruptible power supplies are now smaller and lighter but remain just as powerful. Imagine being able to install a UPS out of the way without bulky IT enclosures that you don't have the space for. This is now possible. APC SmartUps Ultra comes with mounting brackets that allow you more flexible installation options. Yes, it will fit in a rack, but the UPS can also be set up as a standalone tower, mounted to the wall, under a desk, or even on the ceiling. Now, protecting something as critical as point of sale can be done and done out of the way. If you need power protection where space is at a premium, SmartUps Ultra is the right UPS for you.